What am I doing with it?
Oh, I'll tell you what you're doing.
Holding it?
How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. So today we got something very exciting planned for you guys. Gonna put together a nice little holiday special, something we never done before, and we're gonna celebrate the holiday of Christmas or whatever holiday you guys celebrate. And we're gonna do something that I kind of talked him into doing. He kind of didn't want to do it, but I thought it would be a good idea and maybe generate some views and excitement within the channel. We're gonna take all this wrapping paper and wrap the second gen, and we're gonna give it away. No, I'm just kidding. It's gonna be Santa's new sleigh, right?
Sure.
Yeah, and hopefully Santa doesn't deliver us some coal this year, because if he does, we're gonna have to retaliate a little bit, right? Yeah. So this is probably gonna take us a while. Hopefully it holds up well, because we're gonna try to get some rollers with it. So let's get to wrapping. You excited?
Sure.
Yeah, right. I feel like I feel like you really don't want to do this.
For the viewers.
For the viewers. You heard them, so let's get to work. But before we get started, we gotta get into the holiday spirit here. Gonna get rid of the camo hat. Jingle this.
Aren't you like not allowed to swear?
Yeah. So I got two different colors here, red and green. We're gonna try to do half and half. You want the front red or the back green? How do you want to do it?
I'll do the front green.
Front green, you heard them. Roll number 1 out of 20.
You should have come to see me. I could have gave you some wrapping paper. You wouldn't
No,
have
you don't.
I got talked
Getting
into
a custom
wrapping
paint
this
on.
one.
What are you wrapping?
The whole truck.
You gotta wrap the whole truck. Whose present is this?
What are you doing? Wrap the whole thing?
That's what he wants to do. I didn't buy nothing.
You
Dad,
do
that's
yours.
what you had to
What
eat.
you do? No, no, you're putting that tape on my truck. You got to pull the paint off.
Dude, the wind's gonna take this and just rip it right off.
Yeah, what's your plan there?
Drive slow. Roll 2.
Tip is so aggressively on my hand.
How much money you spend on it?
20 bucks.
You don't make 20 bucks off the video.
Then I was just all focused up here.
I guess.
Who's the girl?
Yeah, I'm just confused.
What's her Instagram?
Yeah, follow me at
say that at the
Jessica347.
Wait, what? What did you say?
I just said Jessica347 on Instagram.
I'm gonna put that in there. You can get all the diesel heads for me.
How do you know the
Scissors.
Kehm brothers?
Are you part of the Kehm Crew now?
You're like, sadly, yes.
What was that one?
If I don't get followers, and who does?
Me.
I'll be back.
Let's see how she's looking, boys. Oh yeah. Who needs a professional wrap job when you can do it ourselves, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at that.
Okay, stuck over here.
Yeah. All right. Don't let go. No! It almost worked. I'm gonna need help taping.
That's what I was
That wasn't
asking.
funny. That wasn't funny.
Hold on, wait.
You're just gonna hear you laugh. All right, so we got one side done. We decided to just go with green so we could run it up the whole side. We might do a little bit of red here and there. So sorry to those of you that we disappointed that we didn't do the red, but there might be a little bit thrown in here soon depending if we run out of the green or not. How do you think your truck looks? Green.
Would I paint it green? No. But for the video, looks cool.
But we still got a little bit to do around the pillars on the door. We might touch up the bottoms here. We're not sure because it's not sticking too well to the tape's not sticking too well to the rough rhino liner on the bottoms of the rockers and around the fenders. But it's looking pretty good, so we're gonna knock out the other side right now. I wanna run that one out so I can put it on the... Shut up!
Sorry.
This is harder than it looks. What are you thinking?
Looks snazzy.
Yeah. Hopefully it doesn't all blow off. And luckily we're doing this on a non-windy day. It's a little bit windy, but not overbearing because, you know, I think we wrapped this pretty good, but I don't think it's going to withstand really high winds. What do you think?
Yeah, definitely not.
You think at the end of the video you'll just rip it and see if it all falls off?
Sure.
Yeah, let's do it. Roll 5, last one of the green. So we're gonna do the driver door, the rest of around the roof there, behind the stack. And then we'll probably end up doing the tailgate red if we run out of this. That way we can include just a little bit of red for you guys because we promised it to you, so we might as well use it. But I don't think we're gonna end up using all of that because I think I went overboard and bought too much. I'll just use the rest of it to wrap Christmas gifts. So
That he didn't buy anybody. I hope
I
they heard
did-
that.
I did.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
But I'll open it for the camera for point of view.
Did he go all the way around with that?
Yeah, he did the whole thing.
Dude, can you like come back out here?
Hayden's getting grumpy. I hope that's in the video.
Nathan disappeared, that's why.
He didn't want to rap, which is understandable. I don't either, but you know, I'm paid help apparently. Oh. Okay. Since Nathan isn't out here to pick which red, I'm picking the snowman one because it's smiling. I think it really suits the truck.
Ready?
Yeah.
Close it. 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah.
Jingle bell rock, jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing, that bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell rock, jingle bells time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing, jingle bells square in the frosty air.
Well guys, as you saw, we got the truck all nice and wrapped. I think it came out all right. Drove around a little bit with it and it held on. But we're gonna give it the real test here in a little bit when he picks up some speed and see how much of it flies off, because I'm sure some will. What do you think of it?
It's interesting.
Yeah.
That's all I like.
I'm sure this is pretty unique for most of you guys to see, so smash that thumbs up button if you guys like it. It took us a long time, a lot longer than we thought it would, right? So we'd appreciate it if you guys, you know, show us some support. So smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below what you guys think of it. So while we were out riding around, I think Santa stopped and paid us a visit. This is marked to Nathan, so we'll see what's inside. So I'll deliver it to him now. Santa gave you a present.
Hey.
Yeah.
Supposed to open it?
Yeah, open it. Oh man.
Cool, baby.
You roll enough coal with that thing. I don't think you need any more. Santa's, I think he put us on the wrong naughty list, you know. I think we've been pretty good boys this year. You think?
Yeah.
I think we gotta, you know, retaliate and show Santa that he's messing with the wrong crew. Don't mess with the Kehm Crew, right? I think we're gonna roll some coal on Santa and, you know, return his gift. We caught Santa. I think he deserves some punishment.
Yep. Smoke time.
Smoky time, show him the coal. You gotta strap him up. Santa's gonna go for a ride in the wrong sleigh this year. Santa's about to meet his worst enemy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Big Chungus. We'll see how he holds up. Santa's beard turned black with the coal, baby. You think Santa deserved his lesson now?
Oh yeah, coal for the coal.
Yeah. Coal for coal, baby. Woo doggy!
Woo doggy.
Well, now that Santa got what he deserved this year for giving the Kehm Crew some coal, I think it's time to put the Cummins to the limit and see how our wrap job held up. So we're gonna pick up some speed and see what happens. Hit it! There she goes. Oh, no! No! Let's go see what the damage is. I wish I was closer when that happened. Oh no. Oh no, look at that! Well, it held up better than I thought it would.
Yeah, we lost a good bit.
I wish I was closer when that flew off. You want to do one more pass?
Alright.
Alright, let me run down there. Well, I guess that goes to say if you want a wrap job to go to the professionals.
Oh yeah.
And I guess it would help if you don't use paper.
Yep.
Well, I guess now that the fun's over, my hands are getting pretty cold. We're gonna finish unwrapping the rest of the truck, the pieces that didn't blow off, and then we'll get back with you once we're done doing that, because getting pretty cold. I hope you guys appreciated this, because you know this took a lot longer than we thought out here in the cold, fighting the elements, but we wanted to do something special for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it, but they're already getting to work. I'm gonna go help them. Oh, you unwrapped a Ram 35 humming? Oh, you unwrapped a...
You can't.
I can redo it. Oh, looky here. You unwrapped a Ram 35 humming. I said it again. Bloopers galore. Bloopers galore. You unwrapped a Ram 3500 Cummins 24 valve
I hope they watch
turbo diesel. Whoa, doggy!
I hope they watch you push me.
Well, guys, we came to realize something here. I think we were a little too harsh on Santa. So we're going to set him free, and I'll explain why. You want to do the honors of letting him go?
Where are we going with this?
Let him go! Take him off his stake. Oh. He deserves to be free to go back to the North Pole. We tortured him. He was actually helping us because the coal he gave us wasn't actually for us. It was a gift for our favorite friend here, Big Chungus. Big Chungus was hungry. He was wanting some more coal so he could roll some more. And I think he deserves it. Santa, we're sorry.
Gonna put the PA coal back where it belongs, boys.
Yeah. Big Chungus is hungry.
Witnessing you guys, and he's like, "And free Santa's like, be free."
Santa's free now. He can fly back to the North Pole. Well, guys, I think that's going to do it for today's video, the holiday special. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely something a little different. We hope to, you know, maybe do something like this again someday. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure that you smash that thumbs up button and leave your comments down below. You got anything you want to say?
Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, whatever you guys celebrate. Happy holidays. What is so funny? Truck's all unwrapped now. Santa's back home in the North Pole. Big Chungus got fed his PA coal that he was, you know, hungry for, so he can keep rolling all throughout the season. You got anything else you want to say?
Thanks for watching, folks.
Make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss out on any other future content. We got a lot of other future things in the works. Lots of cool mods coming for the Cummins this upcoming season. Both trucks, actually, right?
Oh, yeah.
And speaking of giveaways, guys, we're about to hit our 500 followers on our Instagram. If you guys aren't following it, be sure to follow our handle down below. We're doing a giveaway on there. We may or may not have reached the 500 followers by the time this video goes live, but the giveaway will still be going on by the time this video is up. So make sure you guys are following that so you guys have a chance to win. That's us giving back to you, and for you to give back to us, make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss out on any other future content. You got anything else you want to say?
Nope. Thanks for watching. Yeah, sure.
The man, a few words over here.
Oh, yeah.
I wish he'd speak more in the videos. He used to in the older ones. If you guys go back and watch those, you'll know what I'm talking about.
This one wasn't too interesting. Come on now.
It was pretty interesting, if you ask me. He's a little tired because he was out hunting all this morning, and I think he's ready to go take a nap.
Yep.
You get anything today?
5.
5 what?
3 mallards and 2 geese.
You heard him. Well, I think we're going to conclude the video here so he can go nap. And as usual, always accelerate and don't look back. Catch you on the next one.
Happy holidays.
Jingle this.
Jingle this.